Dynamics 365 is an intelligent cloud-based business application and productivity tool provided by ourselves here at Microsoft.
We like to think differently and be really creative about how we use technology like Dynamics to solve a wide range of our clients' business problems. Our really talented team of in-house UX designers, front and back-end developers and a dedicated team of solution architects all come together to produce beautiful Dynamics-based applications.
Dynamics 365 is a fantastic tool for solving business problems because it's so versatile. It can become the cornerstone of any organisation's business systems. Because the Dynamics platform is so capable, sometimes it's difficult for customers to understand how to implement it effectively. We've got a really great example that we'd like to talk about, which is one of our responsive social engagement projects. This project's great because it takes a lot of different technologies and integrates them in new and unique ways. Some of those components include things like Dynamics case management, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and of course, Microsoft social engagement.
Imagine the resources needed to manage 20,000 inbound tweets a month. A large UK police force identified the value of these messages in crime reporting, intelligence gathering, and responding to citizens' requests for help. The challenge they had was handling the information and figuring out the important stuff from the less important stuff, knowing where to focus their time and attention.
We knew CloudThing had the technical and business skills to understand what our customer needed and most importantly make the most of Azure, Dynamics 365, Power BI and social engagement to build a real complete solution. It's important to remember this is the first time in the UK this kind of project came about. It's really quite challenging, so CloudThing really took their time to understand the needs, but also to make sure they delivered on what was required by the customer. Well, the solution was dealing with inbound social media messages that really could constitute an emergency, so the police were rightfully concerned about downtime, access and auditability. CloudThing's DevOps team regularly spent time with Microsoft and the customer to ensure the solution was maintained, backed up and updated.
One of the things that's unique about CloudThing is our approach to engagement with the customer. We assemble a team which crosses those organisations. They've got a shared common objective, which is delivering the solution. We test throughout the whole lifespan of the programme, so we fundamentally know when we come to go live that it's just going to work. Dynamics is used to prioritise, triage and risk assess the messages. So Dynamics is the engine that drives the solution.
Microsoft technology deployed by CloudThing has enabled an integrated digital one-on-one service and an extension of the police's wider practices rather than siloed, resource-hungry function. This is a lot more collaborative.
The most profound benefit was getting proactive public engagement, which allowed the police force to make better use of its time and resources. The public has been empowered to share their tweets and help one another and spread important police information.
I really love this project because it's got so many different technologies involved. We take Azure, Dynamics, Microsoft Social Engagement, we mash them together and do something that's not been done before. We love designing systems that integrate technology within the cloud. And that's when we can deliver something truly unique.